Hi, I'm Daryl from Murphy Wall Beds. I'd like to take a moment to spend with you to tell you about who we are and what we do here. First off, we've been in Victoria for over 25 years building Murphy Beds. We are Vancouver Island's only authorized Murphy Wall Bed dealer. The Murphy Beds themselves only take up 16 inches of depth on the upright position, which is very minimally invasive to the room, and they're available in single, double, and queen size. The Murphy bed itself starts from this edge right here, runs across the panel to this edge there. That's the actual Murphy bed. Then if you desire, you can have the option of building on any custom cabinetry, home office, storage, wardrobes, chest of drawers, bookcases, virtually anything you want. It is all locally made in our shop in Sydney, so it's all locally made, which is great. How they work: super light, perfectly balanced, quiet, easy to use. The key with us now, not only is this authorized Murphy bed hardware, but even Murphy bed hardware has different grades and qualities of hardware. We have chosen to use the absolute best. This is called commercial grade hardware. We supply all the fire halls, ambulance stations, hospitals, retirement communities with these beds. This is extruded aluminum, so it's very, very light but very strong. The bed can support up to a ton of weight. That's literally 1 ton. That's up to 3 times the weight of anything else on the marketplace. Other little details: nice rolled edges on it so you don't get caught on it. Beautifully powder coat finish, really well made. Now the legs do 2 things. Number 1, of course, they help you hold up the bed. And number 2, if you do have the right thickness of mattress, you can leave the bed actually completely made and tuck in all your sheets. I will show you one that is made eventually here. There's a Velcro strap here as well. Now the Velcro strap is not to hold the mattress on, that's for pillows. So once the bed is made, you can actually tuck your pillows into there, fold the whole thing up. It is literally the 1-second bedroom or guest room. Other benefits: you're not wasting a lot of additional storage space with sheets and pillows and blankets because everything's on the bed. But the number 1 advantage is it's just a normal bed. You sacrifice no comfort. Now these legs come down. It's a patented leg system, exclusive to Murphy Wall Beds. We use a heavy-duty tubular steel leg so that the legs will not rack left or right. This acts as a little shin guard against any pointy part on the bed. They also notch under the bed for more toe room, and you have nice heavy rubber feet so it's not going to damage your floor. Now the next piece I'm going to show you is exclusive to the commercial hardware only. This has a heavy-duty aluminum backbone or spine that runs the full length of the center of the bed. Now what that does for you, that guarantees you the bed will never dip, sag, or the panel will never separate. The other benefit is this is the only sleeping system that does not have the bars running horizontally. This gives you 2 distinct sleeping areas. Now the Murphy bed is lifted with this mechanism right here. It's only 1 inch wide and requires no maintenance. You just simply lift and lower the bed. Now, it's a simple spring system, which requires no maintenance whatsoever. And the beauty of it is that it gives you a lifetime warranty because it is so simple. There's virtually nothing to go wrong. To give you an idea on quality, this system was chosen by US Air Force One, which required a wall bed for their airplane. They actually chose our Murphy wall bed commercial hardware because nothing is stronger, smoother, quieter, or easy to use. Now Murphy wall beds and their cabinetry are not permanently built into your home. They are called built to fit furniture. So if you ever do decide you want to move, you can take it with you. If you do decide you want to add on pieces later at a later date, you can. They are not bolted to the floor. How they are attached to your wall are simple L brackets that come from the top that go into the studs of your wall. We can attach steel studs, wood studs, even concrete if required. Now, you have some other nice features as well. There are some optional built-in reading lights you can have put into your unit. These are LED lights, so there's no heat, there's nothing to worry about. And that is just simply plugged into your closest wall socket like a lamp, no hard wiring. But the best thing about the Murphy bed system is the ease of use. It is literally 1 fingertip control, up, flip, over, done. The whole process takes literally 1 or 2 seconds. I say nothing is smoother, stronger, faster, or quieter. Okay, just show you how the bed looks like when it's made up. You can leave the bed totally made. Everything just tucks into your perimeter framework here. There's all your comforter. This is where you'd apply your pillows. The bed is fully made. You're ready to go. Pull the Velcro strap off, put your pillows in place. You or your guests are sleeping comfortably. Put it back together, up, and away. Now I'd like to tell you about how we build our cabinetry. Okay, so first off, we carry no inventory. Regardless of the material you select, we only use 3/4 thick material, not 5/8, so it's a little bit thicker and stronger than your standard kitchen cabinetry. The build style is called blind dado, so it's your traditional, proper tongue and groove cabinet construction. They're not just stapled together. All of our shelf pins and supports and ferrules, we use a high quality steel rather than a plastic. If you get a grain material, we actually take the time to grain match all of our wood materials. Gives you a real beautiful look. We do have these custom nice pull-out night tables, which is going to give you the availability for a glass of water, magazine, book, things like that. And everything is already pre-drilled for wiring. So if on the wall, if you have a telephone, cable, or power outlet, we make sure that you can fish everything through, bring it up, have full access to it. So how the systems work, once you select your bed size, you maybe only want a bed by itself, which is available. So some folks like an arrangement where you have maybe a bed and one cabinet or two cabinets. We have different cabinets that do different jobs. We have fold-down tables, we have wardrobes, bookshelves, you name it. This package right here, this is very popular. This is called our Island Office Package. This is a pre-designed unit. This is designed to fit virtually any room. It can be mirror imaged left or right, and you can have the desk anywhere up to 8 feet long. A very popular package, and it instantly gives you that multi-purpose room without having to spend a whole bunch of money on a bunch of hodgepodge of different type of products or ideas. I was going to walk you through a couple other things we have available. We have all sorts of innovative solutions for storage, space usage. This is a cool table that we brought in from Italy. Folds up. This could be attached to the front of the bed, or it could be mounted to a wall, like in this case. It could be mounted at desk height if you like, or in this case at a standing height. It goes down. It's got a really nice gas strut, so it doesn't fold down on itself. Very smooth, very quiet. Other innovative products that we have: fold-down crafting tables. Students love this. Crafters love this. Storage. No muss, no fuss. Laptop workstations. Then again, high quality construction. Steel dowel runs through the side, so this actually has strength to it. The other thing I'd like to show you too is that down this way, we still take the time as well to finish our shelves all the way around. We're about the last people, I believe, that still do that. So these shelves are finished on all edges. Every edge is also filed. These get run through an edge bander nowadays, and if you don't file them, these can be very sharp. If you feel any one of edges, they're smooth to touch. So, about 70% of our business is something called custom solutions. So if there's a room in your home you want to create a multi-purpose space in, whether it be home office, craft, exercise, guest room, you name it, we have a computer program which helps us design a custom solution for your needs. There's no cost, no obligation. We meet you at your home. You tell us what you want to do, have, or store, and we'll propose a design for you and be able to print it out in a three-dimensional view that you can actually see how it looks, operates, and of course what it costs. And this is an example of some of the designs we've done over here. So this is what we create for you. You can see big wall units, home office with upper storage. Then again, a nice little office system with lots of bookcases all around. Very simple unit with special lighting. So anything can be done. And we do build from two types of materials. You have your choice of either a laminate or a veneer. Both have their benefits. I'll show you first on the veneer. So the benefit to the wood veneer is you can get any species, you can stain it any color. Some of the disadvantages are you have to be very careful what you clean it with. You have to be very careful not to dent or scratch it. It can be dent or scratched quite easily. The other slight disadvantage is that they do change color over time. So if you do want to add additional pieces over time, it's pretty hard to match up with. Close to probably 85 to 90% of our customers do choose a laminate, and the benefits of the laminates are, and I'll go over here again, we have about 8 different colors and grains to select from, but the benefits are the same benefits as a laminate floor. So very easy to keep clean, damp cloth. Say for example, someone drew on it with a permanent marker, you can actually clean this with paint thinner without actually hurting the surface of it. The other benefit is it's dent and scratch resistant. So most Murphy beds are used in high traffic areas where the durability is going to be very important. This will give you very, very, very high durability. Now the other benefit to this system is that it doesn't change color. So if you do decide you want to move or add pieces at a later date, you can add them on for as long as you own it. It'll look like the exact same piece. So regardless of your selection of materials, your design, your fit, your finish, your needs, storage, whatever, we have everything available right here at our showroom that we can give to you and give you the service and solutions that you want in your home. And we look forward to seeing you.